So I'm under here checking this shit out. And as you can see, these are the teeth on my flex plate. As you can see right there. Old starter issues. Hold on, son, I'm making a video so you could see too. Have pieces of the starter in there. Not for me, from the previous owner. And it's shooting around, making all this loud metal noise, and you know it'll spin. You can't, man, I can't get no light in there, but
we have some flex plates up here too.
That piece off the previous starter busted, I'm assuming. That thing right there spins or whatever. Mechanically inclined, but I don't know what. Bless you, son. Bless you again. I'm mechanically inclined, but I can't remember what nothing's called, man. I just hands-on, see it and do it, handle it. But what it's looking like to me, I don't know if that's a shadow casting on mine, but man, my starter looks kind of rough now too. But I think it's just oil on there, oil and a little bit of dirt, because I've been messing around trying to get this cover off for a minute. This over there, as you can see, there was metal in there, and it shot out from the inside. And I kept getting this loud metal noise, like when I'd rev it up high or anything. I checked a bunch of stuff. Didn't change nothing, but I checked a bunch of stuff, and this is where it came back to. But as you can see, I'm gonna need a new motherfucking, excuse me my language, I'm gonna need a new flex plate. You can see on the bolts where those metal is in here, just slapping around, flying around, hitting everything, which is crazy. I've never seen nothing like this.